Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. I'm going to show you how to scribe baseboards. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me on the videos are my sons Tristan, Hunter, and we're joined by Joe today as well. I'm going to show you what to do when you have a huge gap under your baseboard and it just won't work. There's a method, it's called scribing, and today it's scribing 101. Let's hit it. This is about 3/4 of an inch space under here. This is where we ramped our floor up. So our floor slowly ramps up, and it is gradual, but there's a high spot, which is over there at the door jamb. That's the high area. Now, if this was MDF, chances are I could probably flex it and get it down pretty tight, but it's not. This is pine, and it's 7+ inches tall, so it's not gonna bend. So we can caulk under it or plaster under it, get it to look okay, or we can scribe it. So we wanna get something that's as thick as the thickest area, which is perfect right here. So now I am set on how thick the gap is. And I want to slide my pencil down. And now, seeing what I've done here is I've traced. Alright. That's what we're going to be cutting. And there she is. And that is how we scribe. Well, that's all there is to it. Now there's no more gap underneath your baseboard. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.